Air management on my 22 Road Glide Limited Princess Fiona is pretty good, but we're going to make it better today. Like I said in the intro, we're going to improve the air management with these. On the 2023 and a half and later Road Glides, Harley Davidson replaced the air deflectors on the side of the fairing with a version that tips out and can actually funnel air toward you. Unfortunately, those parts cannot be retrofit onto an older bike, but I found these are adjustable type that when mounted, they deflect, or you can open them up to bring air in. These are very similar to the air wings of the 80s and 90s that were very popular on Gold Wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the original fixed deflectors and put on these adjustable. One thing you'll notice is they're quite a bit taller. They reach up quite a bit further, and like I said, they open up. Let's reposition the camera and get started. All right, I want to show you closer up how big of a difference these are. So if you look here on your left is the original. So it goes into the fairing with two fasteners, and then it has this lip that deflects the wind. This is the forward-facing side, so this would be the left-hand side of the bike. This is the new one. So it has the same mounting points, but as you can see, it has this large wing that then is adjustable. So when it's mounted to the bike, again, this is the forward-facing part for the left-hand side. The wind contacts here. But if you want additional airflow, you can open this and it'll bring air and even deflect it toward the rider. So that is the dramatic difference between the stock deflector and the new deflector. Here we are down at the deflector. As you can see, it's held in by two fasteners. Both of them are a T25, so let's go ahead and remove these. All right, with the fasteners out, it just pulls out of the way, and this exposes the two fasteners, and I apologize. Princess Fiona's a little dirty right now. We got caught in some rain yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to give her a bath yet. All right, as you can see, the originals have these angled pockets that go up into the fairing. All right, next, you put it in place, put in the two provided cap screws. They are 4mm heads. They fit right in. Tighten them evenly. Don't tighten one over the other. One thing I did notice is that these holes aren't exactly lined up to where the originals were. So it's a little bit tight. All right, there we have them in place. Like I was talking about, these can tilt out to bring air to the rider. Now for the most satisfying part, let's remove the plastic covering. And there we have it. There's a few detents. We'll move on to the other side. I don't think you need a video of watching me do it a second time, but that's it. There you have it. I've replaced the original deflectors with these adjustable deflectors. They don't hold very tight, so we'll see how it is once I'm out on the road. But for the most part, it was an easy install. I may do a follow-up video in the future, but for now, that's it. All right, I hope you liked today's video. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. I always need more subscribers. Hit the bell. You'll be notified of more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Go Far with Brent.